Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you are scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.